Mistakes and errors in the building process will happen, and they're extremely frustrating, especially when they're completely avoidable. Let me show you what happened here and how we went about solving our problem. Very early on in the design and building process, we decided to lower the ceilings, or more specifically the roof lines on the outside, to get a better curb appeal on the front of the house. And in turn, it did two things. One, it lowered our ceilings, and it also lowered the position of this window, causing our unforeseen problem. And that was the mirror and the vanity. So originally we were supposed to have a vanity right in front of me with a very nice mirror above, and this window was supposed to be above that mirror. Now, as you can tell, the window is directly behind the mirror. So we had two options: keep the mirror where it is and kind of cover a portion of our window, go with a smaller size mirror, but this is a bathroom, you're getting ready in the morning, you kind of want to have something nicer, or move the wall, because those first two options were not a feasible solution. So what we ended up doing is moving this wall about 6 inches into the closet. So we got lucky, because on the opposite side of this wall is the closet, which we moved that wall in. And that was the best solution. It gave us one other thing. It allowed us to install a slightly larger vanity. So call it a win-win for this bathroom problem. Not ideal, but it's the best option that we had. With moving the wall into the closet, we had to make two small changes. One of them is swapping the hanging section with the shelves in the closet. So now as you walk in, you have the hanging section on the back wall and the shelves just to the left of you. And because the shelves are now to the left on this wall, we had to move the light switch. So originally this light switch was inside the walk-in closet. And because, knowing our luck, the shelf would probably be directly in the middle of that switch, we decided to move it on the outside, and now we can put the shelves at any height that we like. Once again, it's a change that only we know about. Nobody will ever know. You know, this is one of those issues that could have been avoided. It wasn't. There really isn't anybody to blame, and no build is perfect. If you'd like to see more tips, hit that subscribe button. Around here, we say mock it up or mess it up. We'll see you next time.